Hey, it's Joseph here. Today we are looking at a car charger from Spigen. Let's have you focus on the charger itself. And today's video is sponsored by Spigen, so I will be unboxing and kind of showcasing this device as well as testing it. So just going over the box itself, it is a Spigen PC2000 or PC2000, and it is capable of pushing total of 65 watts through this little device, and it is called Spigen PowerArc ArcStation Car Charger. And going around the back, Spigen PowerArc ArcStation Car Charger, it does have quantum boost technology along with the intelligent safety, and it does have 24-month hassle-free warranty with this device. And specification mentioned it has two different USB-C ports. One is 45 watt and then the other one is 20 watt. Therefore 65 watts of total output, and with those two ports it is capable of charging two devices simultaneously. It does have LED indicator and the dimensions are such along with the weight. And that is pretty much it. And again, it is from a company called Spigen, which is a company that I use all of my phone cases for, as well as a lot of chargers that I use daily have been all the Spigen chargers that I have showcased on my channel before. Therefore, I really do appreciate their product and their quality based on my personal experience. And let me get it unboxed. So inside the box, we're just expecting one little thing, I guess with some more paperwork perhaps. And here is the user manual that you can read through, but I don't think there's gonna be anything complicated. And also thank you card, sharing your experience online. And then this thing that's stuck on this white box. And this is what it looks like. Spigen logo on the side. It is just black finish. It protrudes outward this much. If you were to measure it, I guess it sticks about an inch, and you can see the LED indicator along with two different ports here. So obviously you can only test this if you put this in your car. So let me attempt that along with the Spigen provided cables, the USB-C cables. Alright, we are in my car now. Let me start the car and test it out. Okay, so here is the cigarette jack, 12 volt, and I'm just gonna put this into here. And it is kind of hard to do this with one hand. I'm just gonna connect the Spigen cable over here, and then it is going to start charging my phone over there. It says it is 31 minutes until full. That is charging. And then here the other end of the cable is actually connected to my laptop, and then I'm just gonna connect to the charger, and then you'll see that it is going to light up the LED over there, letting me know that it is charging as well. So it is currently charging both of the device. So if you're needing to charge high wattage off of your car for multiple devices like this, that's definitely the way to go. And let me also record the outro of this video since we just came back from outside in my car. If you have liked this content, please like this video and consider subscribing to my channel to continue watching these type of videos. Thank you for watching as always. I'll see you next time. Bye.